Chandrayaan-3, India's next lunar odyssey. Welcome back, space enthusiasts, to my channel Immortal Soldier. In today's video, we are diving deep into India's lunar mission, Chandrayaan-3. Get ready to embark on an exciting journey as we explore the ambitious goals and scientific wonders of this mission. In a remarkable display of ambition and determination, India's Chandrayaan-3 mission has taken flight from Sriharikota in Andhra Pradesh on the 14th of July 2023, carrying the hopes of an entire nation. If successful, the mission will solidify India's position as the fourth country to achieve a controlled landing on the Moon, following the footsteps of Russia, the United States, and China. The lunar lander, Vikram, is perched atop the mighty Mark III heavy-lift launch vehicle, affectionately dubbed the Bahubali rocket. The spacecraft's journey from Earth to the Moon is estimated to take approximately a month, with the anticipated landing scheduled for August 23. Once on the lunar surface, Vikram will operate for 1 lunar day, equivalent to 14 Earth days. Problem with Chandrayaan-2. Chandrayaan-2 was launched in July 2019 in the form of an orbiter and a lander Vikram and a rover Pragyan. The orbiter entered into orbit around the Moon, but the surface mission failed when the lander crashed instead of executing a slow descent. ISRO later identified a problem in the guidance software and unexpected dispersion in the propulsion system during certain phases of the descent. Chandrayaan-3 is the third lunar exploration mission by the Indian Space Research Organisation, ISRO. It will consist of a lander and a rover similar to Chandrayaan-2, but would not have an orbiter. Its propulsion module will behave like a communications relay satellite. The propulsion module will carry the lander and rover configuration until the spacecraft is in a 100 km lunar orbit. Follow-on mission. Chandrayaan-3 is a follow-on mission to Chandrayaan-2 to demonstrate end-to-end capability in safe landing and roving on the lunar surface. Lander, rover, and propulsion module. Chandrayaan-3 interplanetary mission has 3 major modules: the propulsion module, lander module, and rover. Lander payloads. Chandra's surface thermo-physical experiment, CHASTE, to measure the thermal conductivity and temperature. The Instrument for Lunar Seismic Activity, ILSA, for measuring the seismicity around the landing site is Langmuir Probe, LP, to estimate the plasma density and its variations. A passive laser retroreflector array from NASA is accommodated for lunar laser ranging studies. Rover payloads. Alpha Particle X-ray Spectrometer, APXS, and Laser-Induced Breakdown Spectroscope, LIBS, for deriving the elemental composition in the vicinity of the landing site. Propulsion Module. The propulsion module will carry the lander and rover configuration till the 100 km lunar orbit. The propulsion module has a spectropolarimetry of habitable planet Earth, SHAPE, payload to study the spectral and polarimetric measurements of Earth from the lunar orbit. Launcher. Chandrayaan-3 will be launched by GSLV-MKIII from SDSC, Sriharikota. Objectives for the Chandrayaan-3 mission. The Chandrayaan-3 mission is a follow-on mission to Chandrayaan-2, India's first lunar mission to successfully land on the Moon. The primary objectives of Chandrayaan-3 are: 1. To demonstrate a safe and soft landing on the lunar surface. 2. To demonstrate rover roving on the Moon. 3. To conduct in situ scientific experiments. Chandrayaan-3 is the third lunar exploration mission by the Indian Space Research Organisation, ISRO. The mission has 6 scientific payloads and a 7th instrument, on the propulsion module, which will profile the signs of life on Earth. It will consist of a lander and a rover similar to Chandrayaan-2, but would not have an orbiter. Its propulsion module will behave like a communications relay satellite. The propulsion module will carry the lander and rover configuration until the spacecraft is in a 100 km lunar orbit. Chandrayaan-3 interplanetary mission has 3 major modules: the propulsion module, lander module, and rover. Chandrayaan-3 mission is one of the closest to the lunar South Pole mission to date, a region of the Moon that has been found to be geologically unique and host to spots in permanent shadow. Chandrayaan-3 and Artemis Accord. What is the EMC test? MEMC, electro-magnetic interference, electro-magnetic compatibility, Test is conducted for satellite missions to ensure the functionality of the satellite subsystems in the space environment and their compatibility with the expected electromagnetic levels. Chandrayaan-3 interplanetary mission has 3 major modules: the Propulsion Module, Lander Module, and Rover. The mission's complexity calls for establishing radio frequency (RF) communication links between the modules. During the Chandrayaan-3 lander EMC test, launcher compatibility, antenna polarization of all RF systems, standalone auto-compatibility tests for orbital and powered descent mission phases, and lander and rover compatibility tests for post-landing mission phase were ensured. The performance of the systems was satisfactory. Chandrayaan-3 launch vehicle. The Chandrayaan-3 launch vehicle is a major technological achievement for ISRO. The launch vehicle is the most powerful rocket that India has ever developed. The success of the Chandrayaan-3 launch vehicle will demonstrate India's capabilities in the field of space launch technology. The Chandrayaan-3 lander will be similar to the Vikram lander on Chandrayaan-2, with improvements to help ensure a safe landing. The rover will be similar to the Pragyan rover on Chandrayaan-2 but with a new set of scientific instruments. The scientific experiments that will be conducted by the Chandrayaan-3 mission will focus on the following areas: lunar topography and mineralogy, elemental abundance, lunar exosphere, signatures of hydroxyl and water ice, lunar seismicity, lunar surface plasma environment. The lander and rover will land on the Moon's south pole, which is a region that is thought to be rich in water ice. The Chandrayaan-3 mission is a major undertaking, and it is a testament to the hard work and dedication of the Indian Space Research Organisation, ISRO. The mission is sure to make significant contributions to our understanding of the Moon, and it will help to pave the way for future lunar exploration missions. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel Immortal Soldier for more thrilling space content, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Until next time, keep gazing at the stars and dreaming big.